before you change the channel because you think you're in the wrong place. Yes, it's a Toyota. Yes, it's a 4Runner. Yes, we mostly do Fords. However, for all of my Ivan Ironman Stewart Toyota fans, this is for you. Pretty cool, brand new 2026 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road. We did quite a few things to this to bring it out of soccer mom stock ugly status, because if I'm being honest, it was terrible when we first got it. Wheels were terrible, giant front plastic valence chin. I'm not really sure what that's for. No rack, just looked kind of plain Jane. In fact, the owner wouldn't even drive it until we did it. So here you go. Set of 17-inch Fuel Ascend wheels, Mickey Thompson 285/70/17 Baja Boss ATs. We did all Icon suspension all the way around. So we did the Icon coilovers up front to give it a 2.5-inch level, if you will, in the front lift. We added a roof rack from DV8 Off-Road, which is, if you're not familiar with DV8, great brand, sister company to Addictive Desert Designs out of Arizona. So that has full extruded aluminum bars in several positions, so you can mount stuff anywhere you want, any, position that you want for different boxes and cans and stuff. We added, of course, we always add a couple of Baja Designs Squadron amber lights up on the A-pillar to give them a little bit more lighting. The fog lights that come on these, pretty dim, not the greatest. So we add that up top, do a little amber here in the mountains, works great. So good looking build. This color, I don't know, you be the judge, but wasn't my favorite when it came in, and personally I don't even think the owner loved it that much when they picked it up. However, now that it is built and now that it's sitting correctly with the right stance and the right look, the right wheels, tires, I think it's killer. So it grew on me a lot. It's probably the fastest turnaround of not liking a vehicle to really liking a vehicle I've had. But there you go, this is simple. It's kind of the stage one. If you've seen our other videos with the Bronco Raptor, lift wheels, tires, we did a rack on this one so they can, get out and go camping and do some stuff and move more gear, but pretty cool rig.